how to see your billing details in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can find out your billing details if you are currently using any pro or premium version of the ChatGPT. So to know about your billing dates, simply click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you have done this, from here you can see this upgrade plan option as well. If you click onto this, you can find out about the plans that you currently have. Now to know about your own billing cycle, you can click onto your profile picture and click onto this settings option. Now this will lead you to the settings, and within the settings you need to click onto the billing. Now from here it will show you your current plan, which in my case is the ChatGPT Plus, and then also you can see the renewal rate, which in my case is 11 June 2026. Then here is also the option to upgrade the same, and the billing history is visible right here, from where you can find out the billing history on which dates you have paid along with the amount and your billing information and payment methods as well. So that is how you can easily find out the billing details of your ChatGPT subscription. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.